It's been almost a year we have connected. And I thought this is exactly the time I have to be back again. Especially when all these chaos is running around, it's time for us to think positive and also be productive. After a long time when I'm kickstarting this journey again, I wanted to keep it very short and sweet with the 2 to 3 minute content about cleaning and organizing. In fact, cleaning and organizing should never be considered as a project. It should be a daily practice that you need to enjoy each and every moment that you are investing your time into. So in today's video, let's focus on how you can knock this project down into simple daily practices. So stay tuned. It's perfectly simple and just consists of 3 steps. Step number 1 is all about looking at your bigger picture or bigger goal. Example, cleaning your pantry, organizing your office. Step number 2 is all about identifying a cleaning lap for the day. Try not to choose more than 3 cleaning laps for the day. By cleaning lap, what I mean is choose a time window where you are exclusively focusing on just cleaning. For example, it could be from 10 in the morning to 10:20. That could be the cleaning lap number 1. It could be one more cleaning lap in the evening before going to bed. It could be somewhere from 9 to 9:20. That is your cleaning lap 2. Rule of thumb to follow here is not to have more than 2 cleaning laps of 10 minutes each for your day. Else, you will end up getting overwhelmed and not have this as a daily practice. Instead, take this as a weekly project. During the cleaning lap that you have decided, choose a start and stop timer. Some ideas for this could be a mental count of 1 to 500, or it could be just playing your favorite music track, or it could even be just starting and stopping a timer on your phone. Complete your 2 to 3 cleaning lap window, spreading across through your entire day. And you would be surprised to see that by the end of the day, you have already knocked down about 21 minutes of cleaning and organizing by just choosing 3 laps of 7 minutes each. During that 7 or 10 minutes, make sure you are being very proactive. Else, at the end of the day, when you look back, you would feel that you haven't done quite a bit if you approach it in a very slow paced manner. That's all you got to keep in mind. Finally, here is a disclaimer for this video. Each person is different. Everyone approaches each task differently. These baby steps have definitely worked out well for me. I hope the same goes well for you as well. With this, we come to an end for today's video. Until we see you next time, stay happy, healthy, and wise.